Visual Studio, or VSCode, is a coding editor. It's free, it's easy to use, and is used commonly in the industry. It also works in the same on any operating system. And VS Code also has Git technologies, which we'll use to place our web files so that we can see them live on the internet. Notice that when you do go to code.visualstudio.com, it will notice on the screen which operating system that you have. And you could download it from here, or you can go to the same website /downloads, and here you'll be able to see all of the options for the operating systems, and then you can just pick which one will match best with your computer's operating system. There's going to be a separate video for downloading if you need some help. Otherwise, Windows users can click here, and you're going to get an exe file, and you're going to click it and run it to install it. You're going to be using all the defaults on every step of that, but see that video if you need some help with that. It'll step you through that. Okay, Mac users are going to click on here and get a zipped file. Then they're going to extract the files from the zipped file and click on Visual Studio Code application file, and it'll say, are you sure you want to download it from the internet? And you can say yes, and it'll open it for you. Again, if you want to be stepped through that, pause the video at this point and watch either the Windows VS Code install or the Mac VS Code install, and then come back to this video. Okay, so now that you've got VS Code installed, we'll continue. Go ahead and open it up if it's not already open. Here I've got just how it looked when I downloaded it in Windows, which yours might have a different welcome screen, and that's just fine. You might have the welcome tab. This one's the getting started tab that's opened here. Mine's asking me if I want some different themes here. It's at the dark theme right now. There's also light theme. You can find these same themes inside, if you don't see that, under File, Preferences, Color Theme. For Mac users, since I'm on a Windows machine here, it's under the Code menu and Preferences. And so if you go in there, you can also see some of the other different options that you have to have that different color settings. Let me go back. I usually do this one. Anyway, it's up to you what you want to do there. So I'm going to close that down there.